I'm just coming back from a 25 days in the Nepal Himalayas. I was there to photograph, film and report a trekker group journey during a high-altitude adventure. I faced many challenges through the preparation of this trip. Physical training was certainly one of them, but video photo equipment logistic was the major thing for me. Over 16,000 feet high, there's half of the sea level oxygen, so equipment weight and volume are getting crucial. All the equipment had to be carried by a porter and myself. I also had to plan in order to have complete energy autonomy for my camera, drone, laptop, microphone, light and satellite phone. At this point, PowerFilm Solar became an essential partner for the success of this adventure. I left Quebec with 260 watt and 150 watt foldable solar panel to be deployed during lunch break and at the end of the day. Those products were particularly efficient in the term of charging, even in low light condition. During the day, when walking, I was equipped with a Lightsaver Max and a rollable 7 watts attached on top of our backpack. This great mix of product makes the possibility to charge almost all day long. The weight is surprising. It's very light for these large photovoltaic surfaces. We also face hard conditions. At the beginning of the trip, in the Khumbu Valley, the path was very dry and a crazy amount of dust covered the panel, but it was still charging. Later, in the mountain, weather cooled down and lots of clouds filled the sky. Even with snow falling, the solar gear was charging pretty well. In that kind of trip where Mother Nature is pushing our limits as human beings, for me one of the important things is to be able to rely on my equipment. After Nepal, I can say PowerFilm Solar has given me that opportunity.